In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MailerLite with Squarespace. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end, your MailerLite tracking and forms will be properly connected to your Squarespace site. This makes it possible to capture subscribers, track signups, and run email marketing automations more effectively. Let's start inside your MailerLite account. Once you're logged in and you're looking at your main dashboard, turn your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In that left panel, look for the option labeled Integrations. Go ahead and click on it. You'll now see a page that lists all of the tools MailerLite can connect with. Scroll down until you reach the section called Featured Integrations. In this section, you should see Squarespace listed as one of the options. On the right side of the Squarespace row, there will be a button that says Use. Click that button. When the page reloads, you'll be taken to the Squarespace integration details. Scroll down until you find the Setup section. In this area, MailerLite provides a block of code that you'll need to add to your Squarespace site. Carefully select and copy this entire code snippet. This code is what allows MailerLite and Squarespace to communicate with each other, so make sure you don't change or edit it. Now it's time to switch over to your Squarespace account. Log in, and once you're on the main dashboard, look again to the left-hand side menu. Click on Website. This will expand a set of additional options underneath. From the options that appear, select Pages. The left panel will refresh with a new list of settings and page-related options. Once that panel reloads, look for the item labeled Custom Code and click on it. When it expands, you should see a subsection called Code Injection. Select that. On the Code Injection page, you'll see different fields where code can be added. Find the field labeled Header. This is where we want to place the MailerLite snippet. Click inside the header field and paste the code you copied from MailerLite. After pasting, double check that the entire snippet is there and hasn't been cut off. When everything looks good, move to the top left corner of the screen and click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. Your MailerLite account is now connected to your Squarespace website, and you're ready to start tracking visitors and collecting email subscribers seamlessly.